What if the thing you were told never to do is actually the reason your species survived? You gossip. Your friends gossip. Your coworkers gossip. Even your grandma gossips. And for centuries, people have called it shallow, rude, a waste of time. But here's what nobody tells you. Gossip didn't make humans weak. It made them unstoppable. Before you write gossip off as petty drama, stop. Ask yourself a different question. Why does every human culture on Earth gossip? Not some, not most, every single one. From ancient tribes in the African savannah, to office break rooms in Tokyo, to fishing villages in Iceland, gossip is everywhere, always has been. That's not a coincidence, that's a clue. When something shows up in every human culture across all of recorded history, scientists don't call it a bad habit. They call it a biological drive. Just like hunger, just like fear, just like love. And when you understand why your brain is wired to gossip, you'll never see it the same way again. Let's go back, way back, about 200,000 years ago. Your ancestors didn't live in cities. They didn't have laws, no police, no courts. They lived in small bands of around 150 people. And survival depended entirely on one thing, knowing who to trust. Think about it. If someone in your group was stealing food, you needed to know. If someone was lying about pulling their weight in the hunt, you needed to know. If the chief was making dangerous decisions, you needed to know. But here's the problem. You can't watch everyone all the time. You only have two eyes, one brain, and a limited amount of time in the day. So how do you keep track of 149 other people's behavior? You talk about them. This is the theory made famous by evolutionary biologist Robin Dunbar. You might know him from Dunbar's number, the idea that the human brain can comfortably maintain about 150 meaningful relationships. Dunbar noticed something fascinating. As primate brains got bigger over millions of years, social group sizes got bigger too. And in humans, language exploded. But why? Dunbar proposed something radical. Language didn't evolve primarily for hunting plans or tool instructions. It evolved for social bonding. It evolved so humans could talk about each other. In other words, language evolved for gossip.